Hello everyone, what's up? Nat here from Serpis. And before we go ahead and discuss our main agenda for today, I just want to give you all a quick PSA about what we offer here in Serpis. So as you can see, I am on the Serpis landing page, and right over on this part, we are actually offering to give you an actionable free SEO audit, which you can get in less than 37 seconds. So all you have to do is to just enter your information right here and then click on the Get Your Free Audit button so that you can get started. Also, another thing that you would want to take advantage of is the free guide showing you how Serpis is generating agencies an additional $3,437 per month on autopilot. So all you need to do for this part is to just input your first name and email address. And if you want to subscribe to our mailing list, then definitely do so. And then finally click on this final hub button so that you can take advantage of this free guide that we have for you. So going back to what's going to be our main topic for today is of course still about Serpstat, along with all of their core tools and features that they offer when you have an account and a subscription with them. So here under backlink analysis, we're still doing backlink analysis and we're actually finished with this one. So next thing on our list is external links. So what is an external link, or what does this specific feature do? So for this one, they use an accelerated calculation algorithm so that results may differ slightly from the precise value in other reports. So an external link is a total number of all external links from the domain that you will be providing to them. So in our case, it will of course, here I have to select Surface, of course, and that will automatically give you the results that they have gathered for the external links feature of Serpstat. So as you can see here, there's a graph showing you the new and lost links. So we have encountered this type of results when we discussed the backlink dashboard, where it shows all about the new and lost links that you have or the domain has. So here on the green side, it's the active links, and then on the red side, it's the lost links. So you would want to be updated and take note of this so that you would know how many active links you have in total, and of course to prevent having lost links as well. So that is for that graph. And then here we have a list of link source where the external links are embedded. So for this one, we have the link source and the link anchor, external links, which you can filter depending on how you want to view the results. And then here we also have the link type. If it is a text, frame, href, or the like. So as we see here, most of them are in href. And then here we get the target page, which is what is associated with the external link. And then here, first indexed and last index. So that is what we'll be able to see if we utilize the specific feature of Serpstat. So that's it about external links actually. So as usual, you can also copy that to clipboard. There are some special features on the top here. Copy that to clipboard, filter the results, and then you can also export the files so that you can access them faster. And you won't have to log into the system itself just so you can view the results. So that's it for our video for today. Hopefully you found this helpful and that you tune in to the rest of the videos that we will be uploading for Serpstat in the coming days. So, yep, thank you guys so much for watching and see you on the next one.